Hey New York, this is Clark with Nyc Pigeon Air Conditioner. I wanted to talk to you about scheduling your window air conditioner installation by visiting our website, Nyc Pigeon Air Conditioner. So, once you visit our site, you can click the pop-up box that says Book Appointment, or in the upper left-hand side, you'll see a tab on our website that says Schedule AC Installation. So, from there, our rates are listed based on air conditioner size and BTUs. Now, many of you may have purchased a unit online or from a nearby store, and it's scheduled to get to your apartment or house or your location in New York City by a certain date. We recommend that you always schedule your appointment for the day after your unit is scheduled to arrive. So if you order your LG or windmill unit and it's scheduled to arrive on the 1st, schedule your appointment with us on the 2nd. But once you know your air conditioner type and you have the BTUs, you just select it on our site, and then you put in your contact information, your name, your email, and your phone number. And we have additional questions. How many BTUs is it? Who's the manufacturer? And you can put that information in. Also, you can you can also indicate if you have an air conditioner bracket. If you have multiple air conditioners, what you can do is schedule an appointment for one air conditioner installation and reach out to us, or in these additional question fields, you can mention that you have several air conditioners, and we can work with you to give you a discount on multiple installations. So once you give us your contact information, you'll get a confirmation, and we can we'll follow up with you for the best to make sure that we have all the correct information. You can also follow up with us. You can send us a text based on your order number or an email. And if you have any issues, like if you have multiple units or if you need insurance. So if you need insurance, you can visit our website, and we have a page dedicated to processing certificate of insurance, also known as COI. So we can help you get that done. All right. So we're looking forward to working with you. Thanks, New York. Good luck. See you soon.